Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen. You already know I follow a low carb diet, and sometimes I just want a burger without having the lettuce be the wrap. So tonight, you guys, the lettuce is not going to be the wrap. It's going to be one of the ingredients on the inside of a 101 ways that I can use our tortilla shell, you guys. Thank you so very much for being here. As you are aware, if you follow me on this channel, I have come up with so many different ways of using a low carb tortilla shell. I love how they taste. I love the versatility. I love the fact that they are low carb. So tonight, you guys, again, because I don't want to use lettuce as my bun, I am going to show you how to cut this and use this as the wrap. And inside we are going to put our turkey burger and all of the ingredients that we love to put on our burger. So you guys, without further ado, come in close and I will show you how to put it all together coming up next. Okay, everyone, so here in front of us, I have all of the ingredients that I need to put together these burgers. Again, because my husband and I prefer turkey over ground beef, I've already have my turkey burgers cooked here, courtesy of my husband. And then I have prepared all of the veggies that I'm gonna use to put on the burgers. And in this platter are our shells. Low carb for me and regular for my husband. So real super simple, you guys. I'm gonna take it, fold it in half and fold it in half again, just so I can get the mark of where I need to cut it with my pizza cutter. So I've got the line here, cut it just like that to the center. And you guys, this is ready for the skillet, which is preheating. I'll put a little bit of avocado oil in it, and I'm just going to heat these through. This is not cut all the way through. Just heat this through just so it's warm, but still pliable. So that once it's done, we'll be able to fold it just like that. And on the inside, we are going to have all of the deliciousness of the burger, and then the lettuce and the onions and the tomato and the pickles and anything else that you love to put on your burger wrapped up on the inside. So let me go on over to the stove, heat these, and I'll be right back. Okay, our wrap has been heated and it's still pliable. So let's put it together. So I'm gonna start with, and there are no rules to this, you guys. This is just the way I am doing it. You do it whatever way you want, but I'm gonna start with some sauce on this side. And then my burger goes in this little section right here, just like that. Let's see. And I think I wanna go ahead and put some onions, either raw onions or grilled onions, which actually I grilled some onions for my husband because he prefers them that way. And I am having a raw onion kind of day, so that's what I am going to do. Just like that. Okay, and then over in this section, I am going to put some lettuce. And if it hangs out a little bit of this bread, you guys, that's okay too. All right, and then some tomato and some dill pickle. Okay, and then maybe just a little bit more sauce, like that, and then fold it. So we have this, and then we've got this, and then we've got this. And there you have it, you guys. You have your burger that has the lettuce on the inside of the wrap instead of the lettuce being the wrap. So let's go ahead and set this aside, and we're gonna put one together for hubby. Okay, and this is his wrap. This is regular. So very similar to mine. Put a little sauce here, burger here, because he prefers the grilled onions. Gonna top his with the grilled onions like this. And I have to say that looks really good. Delish, you guys. Okay. And a piece of lettuce here. a tomato. He really doesn't care that much for the dill pickle, so I'm going to leave that out. And a little bit of sauce. Wrap this up. And if it's messy, the better. And this is his burger, you guys. Absolutely delicious. And this is all that there is to it. So let me clean up everything and I'll be right back with you so we can give this deliciousness a taste. Okay, you guys. And here we have it. Nothing left to do but to give this, look at that burger, a taste. Lord, I thank you. So good. You guys, remember what I said? If it's messy, that means it's good. And this is exactly what this is. My low carb burger night just changed for the better because again, I don't have to limit myself to having lettuce for the wrap. And also, I don't want to spend my coins going out to the store, spending a lot of money on a low carb hamburger bun that I'm only going to use on occasion. So I prefer to use what I have, which happens to be these low carb tortilla shells. And again, I got 101 ways to use them. Check out my playlist, you guys, from pizza to tostados to tacos to dessert bowls. I have used these shells and they are that versatile and they are that good. So thank you guys so much for being here. Please do give these a try. And remember to give this video a like and a share because that's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me an honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. Remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. And enjoy.